Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to remove background on CapCut PC. So after you open the CapCut PC apps, you are just going to import the photos or videos you like to edit, and I'm just going to add one image here. And how to remove the background of the image, you can click the clip and select cut out on video option, and you can also select the chroma key or auto cut out. So for this image, I think I want to select this auto cut out, so just turn on auto cut out and waiting for the processing to remove the background. So um the background has been removed. You can add um background to this image. So for instance, select the cloud image and make the image to overlay, move up, and merge the background image. So that's how to remove background on CapCut PC or desktop. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.